Hi, my name is Blake with the Electric Bike Company, and today I want to continue our series on locks. So here I have the 8-bus Stilo Chain 8900 chain lock that you can buy online in our accessories page at electricbikecompany.com. So the way this works is you basically just wrap it around any part of the bike. So here I'm just going to wrap it around the frame, and let's say there's a post right here, and you just lock it back into place and turn the key, and that's it. It's very strong. It's scratch resistant with this material right here, so it helps to not scratch your bike. And again, it's very important that you lock your bike. Although our bikes come with an optional anti-theft alarm system if you get it installed when you're purchasing your bike. The reason is that bike thieves are everywhere, and you just never know when a bike thief might actually just take off with your bike. So again, we always encourage that you lock your bikes. And if you have any questions, please give us a call or email us. And as always, safe travels and happy riding.